Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel drama subscription on iPhone. First, it's important to know that you don't cancel inside the drama app. You cancel a subscription through your iPhone setting. This is Apple setting. Let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and open the setting app. Now tap subscription. This is all the subscriptions are presented connected with your Apple ID. Scroll through your active subscription and find DramaBox. Tap it. Once you are in the DramaBox subscription page, tap cancel subscription. If you see cancels free trial, tap that instead. Apple will ask you to confirm. Tap confirm to cancel, and that's it. Your DramaBox subscription is now cancelled. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.